Hello and good morning, everyone. My name is Akshat Chaure, and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge, question number 76. Sorry for not posting the videos, and my throat is also not a very good condition. But actually, I have solved every question every day, so you can see in the this time place. So yeah, this is the question, and this is the answer. This is a good question, and answer is also very good this time. Time complexity is not optimal, but actually the solution is good. So yeah, this is the space and time complexity. So thank you for watching the videos, and I'll try to be consistent doing the question and even posting the videos.